Good morning, guys. Today we're looking at the 218IV hood. This is part number SS218IV. This is an 18-inch wide by 18-inch deep by 18-inch high IV hood. It opens and closes, and it has 7 rods, hooks for IV bags. The basic premise of design: it has a high-power fan that pulls the ambient air into the chamber, then goes to a HEPA filter that's rated at 99.7% on particles 0.3 microns and larger. And then it pushes that air into the cabinet, thus creating a positive pressure environment in here and pushing air out, not allowing cross-contamination of particles to come into the hood. This creates an ISO Class 5 environment, which is ideal for applications like spiking IV bags. Behind me today, I'm taking a reading of the ambient air of all particles to see how this would compare versus inside of our hood. Just a few things to point out. This hood does come with an LED light, and it's simple on and off operation. You simply just turn it on, and you'll notice the curtains start pushing forward within a few seconds. Usually we flush the hood out for 20 to 30 seconds and we're ready to go. When you're done, you can turn it off. If you want to let it run all day, you can. It simply plugs into an electric outlet, draws about a fraction of an amp. It does not require any makeup air or ducting. It's simply just going to suck the air that's in the room, and that's all you have to do. It can go on any countertop, stationary, etc. As we see from our particle count inside the ambient room, we're at almost 7 million particles per cubic foot at 0.3 microns. Now, cross-comparative, we're going to go ahead and put this inside our hood and see how the hood performs. So I will simply turn the hood on, go ahead and load this in here, and we can take a look at how it performs. For ISO Class 5, we generally want to look for around less than 10,200 particles per cubic foot. You should find that to be exceeded inside this hood. We'll definitely beat that number. Oftentimes, using these laser particle counters, we'll typically see 000, which is a great fit. In addition to laser particle scanning these for ISO Class 5, which we test every single one before it leaves, we've also had this particular unit and design PAO tested to ensure that a mean distribution of 0.3 micron particles introduced at the top does not leak anywhere else. Basically, that the hood is sealed tightly, part of the USP 797 guidelines that are required for the new standard coming out for this particular market November 1st, 2023. So let's take a look inside the hood. As you can see, the laser particle counter is at 000 for 0.3, 5, and 10 microns, exceeding ISO Class 5 requirements. Feel free to give us a call if you have any inquiries, and remember, our hoods always ship quick and are made in the United States. Thank you so much.